Hi, I'm Dr. Abraham Jaskiel, a practicing dentist in Miami, Florida, and a dental product shopper evaluator. Our team of over 1,000 independent evaluators are all dental professionals just like you. We eagerly use and evaluate products in our practices, and then we share our experiences with our peers. Today, we're going to focus on our evaluation of BISCO's All-Bond Universal Dental Adhesive. We first evaluated this product in 2012, and we recently spoke to some of the evaluating dentists to see if they're still using the product and what they think of it now. But first, let's learn a little bit about this product. All-Bond Universal solves the question, which adhesive should I use? There are no limitations with All-Bond Universal because it's truly universal. It can be used with direct and indirect restorations. It's compatible with light cure, dual cure, and self-cure materials. It can be used with total etch, self-etch, and selective etch procedures. There are no caveats when using All-Bond Universal. Other single bottle adhesives may need more than one bottle for indirect restorations, but All-Bond Universal, no activator is required. It's available in 6mm bottle or 0.2mm unit dose. All-Bond Universal contains MDP monomers for durability. It's hydrophobic for use with resins, and low film thickness allows for the adhesive to flow easily into etched surfaces for both chemical and mechanical sealing. Now we'll take a look at what the independent evaluators at Dental Product Shopper had to say about All-Bond Universal. 13 dentists from across the country participated in this evaluation, and I was one of them. We looked at 10 separate criteria during our evaluation, and here they are. Some of the highest individual scores were given to simplicity of the one-bottle system, 4.8, performances with direct and indirect restorations, 4.5, and performance in total etch and selective etch modes, 4.5. The final score for All-Bond Universal is 4.4 out of 5, making it a Dental Product Shopper Best Product. When we spoke to Dr. Jason Wasserman about his experience with All-Bond Universal since his evaluation, he said, "The bonds are holding up well, and I've had very few issues with sensitivity." Dr. John Horn called All-Bond Universal a breeze to light cure. He said, "I really enjoy using BISCO line of products. It's a quality company." Dr. Mitchell Passenkoff of Norfolk, Massachusetts still relies on All-Bond Universal daily in his practice, saying it's a good bonding agent and I love the versatility. Dr. Passenkoff also described All-Bond Universal as a multi-purpose bonding agent that does it all. As for me, in my 20 years of practicing, I've used several bonding systems. By far, All-Bond Universal has less sensitivity for my patients. I find that I get a glossy preparation without using multiple coats compared to other products. Overall, it's my go-to bonding system in my office. That's our report on All-Bond Universal, a best product according to our independent evaluators at Dental Product Shopper. For complete evaluation results and to post your own review on All-Bond Universal and thousands of other products, visit dentalproductshopper.com. I'm Dr. Abraham Jaskiel, and thanks for watching.